I get a bow. I get a bow. Look, wait.
You get a bow?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, not even like in your hair. You mean like bow hair.
What should I do for the sweats when I sleep them?
Fucking bro, they can come to our concert. Play some music for them. Go play some.
Let me clean the stage for you.
My name is Kurt Cobain, and I cheated on my wife. Yo, what is that fucking emo?
So you get with Jack.
You're gonna chase down half the kids around. Oh, that's a banger. Why have that one? Yeah, we have to be next week.
We're gonna come get your medallion.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa!
He killed the vibes, get him. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Go off and on the.
Hey, look, wait.
I'm sideways. Look at me.
Yeah. Yeah. Go in the train, brother. Yeah, we're about to be 10 just.
We are top 10. No, we're top 5.
Oh, yeah,
we're top 5.
Wait.
No, we're top 6 actually. So now we're top 5. Come here. Oh yeah, we got him. Oh, they missed the
We didn't
scan.
get pinged?
Oh, now we did.
Oh, Brian, you have to
Holy!
get out. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Run!
There's 2 different teams fighting us.
That was fucking crazy.
You let me get murdered.
You said get out.
I did, but you just let me get fucking murdered, bro.
Oh, they're coming. Oh, they're coming. I see them in the corner of the map. They're coming. I guess they're not coming. We're back.
That's what we're doing, bro. We're cooked.
Just go to restored over here.
He's right behind me, isn't he?
Oh, shield on the gun, shield on the gun right here. Oh no, we gotta take cover.
They're right behind.
They don't know we're here. Stand down.
Dude, they're following us.
They don't know. Go the other way. Oh no. Gotta get to the house.
Oh, it's 3 seconds. It's 3 seconds.
We gotta get to the house. How did they not fucking see us? 2 black cats.
They're hiding in this house. Mine's dog shit.
Take his loot. Take his minis. Take his loot. We're good, bro. We're good. We got this.
They're right above me, aren't they? Oh, I see him. You see him up there?
Oh, they're coming. Get low. Get low. We gotta trap him in this house.
Oh my god, I see this.
Wait, we gotta get up the stairs. Oh my god.
Are they shooting us?
Oh my god. They gotta come inside. They're only. Oh shit! Get in here! Get in here!
Oh, we're cooked. Dude, it's the same kids as before. Same kids. You're dead. His turret just exposed you, bro. Use your paws, get out of there. Dude, how is this fair? He has double auto win.
Bruh.
This game is so dumb, bro. Like, literally, how is that fair?
He had the repulsors and the fucking turret and War Machine shit, bro.
And you know the other two were bots, so it's like, what the fuck?